Hey, buddy. Hey. Running out here in Costa Rica. It's very different with these views. Where I live is 100 feet in elevation since I live by the beach. Over here, we're at 3,000, and I can't even get to half a mile without dying. It's a big difference. That's our home base of time. That's it. Whew. The elevation out here is very extreme. Very extreme. I made it put 40. The advantages people have out here running in these hills and elevation gain has to be amazing. Look at this. Only a 5-minute run got me at that heart rate. It's Costa Rica for you.